Conferência Episcopal Timorense realiza Simpósio Nacional IDA, kona-ba aplika Doutrina Social Kreda nian e a política social na ekonomia Timor-leste nian.
Sábado, Conferência Episcopal Timorense realiza atividade Simpósio Nacional IDA e a Salão Multiuso Menbe Boradili nebe kualia kona-ba Doutrina Social uma Kreda nian. Seu principal e evento idane Cardeal Peter Turkson nebe nudar chefe Academia Pontifice Ciências Sociais nian e Vaticano no figura bot ida e ensino social católico nian. Cardeal Peter defende katak doutrina social Igreja Católica laos atu hadok sarani sira husi sociedade mai be oinsa atu transforma fiar ia ação concreta ia moris lorloron.
The social teaching of the church is actually the application of the gospel values in the church's social engagement. Because as you may remember, it was St. James who says that faith without works is dead. Okay, so the point of the church's social teaching is to make faith come alive in concrete activities of life. Faith must always inspire and generate and affect and inspire our activities. So faith without works. So the church's social teaching, as we shall see, is the history of the church's application of faith to concrete life and concrete social engagement. So what you are looking at now is what at the Second Vatican Council, in fact, Pope Paul VI would say that the church does not make her faithful sons and daughters strangers to civil life. That's not what the church is. The church does not make her members strangers to civil life and national interest. Rather, and on the contrary, the church trains and engages her members in the service of the public good. So the church, or the Catholic Church if you want, the idea of the Catholic Church is not to make church members strangers to public life or social engagements or anything. Rather, the church wishes to train her members and all to be able to engage more faithfully and concretely and efficiently in the social life of the nation and its people.
Chefe Academia Pontifice Ciências Social nebe explica katak tuir doutrina social Igreja Católica nian mahanesan criatura nebe persija i relacionamento ida ho maromak ho maluk sira no ho natureza.
The human person, according to the church's social teaching and the Bible, we are two things. Basically, we are persons created as person, and person means somebody with dignity and somebody with rights. That's what a human person is. Dignity and rights. But we are also created as relational beings. We created for relationship. The first relationship is with God who created us, but the other relationship is with other creatures, other members, brothers and sisters and all. And then the third relationship is with creation, is with nature, is with the earth.
Ia fating hanesan dong Virgilio Cardeal do Carmo da Silva SDB, hato agradecimento ba Cardeal Peter Turkson, tambah homatenek nebe faheona iha simposio ne, belefona Roman no haburas compreensão kona-ba igreja nia papel.
Expressamos o nosso mais vivo e dedicado agradecimento pela preciosa disponibilidade e generosidade da Sua Eminência o Cardeal Peter Turkson, que nos honra sobre a matéria com a sua presença e com a sábia orientação deste simpósio. Nutrimos a firme expectativa de que este intercâmbio, proporcionado por uma figura de proa do nosso tempo, profundo conhecedor da doutrina social da Igreja e responsável pela Pontifícia Academia das Ciências Sociais no Vaticano, possa iluminar e alegrar a nossa compreensão sobre o papel insubstituível da Igreja no tecido social, política econômico da nossa nação. A doutrina social da Igreja é um conjunto de ensinamento que promove a leitura do Evangelho à luz das questões concretas que afligem a sociedade, como a pobreza e a desigualdade. Como afirmava o Papa Leão XIV, a doutrina social da Igreja é chamada a fornecer chaves interpretativas que coloquem em diálogo ciência e consciência, dando assim uma contribuição fundamental ao conhecimento, à esperança e à paz.
Tema geral do simpósio NEMAC, viver os valores evangélicos na vida política, social e econômica. Agostinho da Costa, bem-vindo a Ximenes, GMN.